Okay, so we're back doing part 4, and we got it installed so it's nice and neat. And just keep in mind that when you're doing this, you can take the screw out the 3/32 with a long hex key, but you cannot put it back together with a long hex key. So, and with the cord in the way, you're unable to go the horizontal direction in that plane. So luckily for me, I was able to dig up one of these guys with not too much trouble, and that definitely made it a lot smoother of a transition. So now we'll go ahead and put these all these other fasteners in place, and that'll wrap up this job. God, marvelous, marvelous. So hang on a moment and we'll be right back with you. Got all the fasteners started, and now we're going to go kind of set them in place and tighten them up a little bit. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and remount a coolant return here from the outboard side of the spindle. We'll do that and we'll get right back with you. Okay, now we have all the 5 30-second screws tightened up, and our last thing here, one of our second to last tasks, is to put that metal plate and taking care of that, besides putting up some of this debris, is now our long awaited, hold on, got too far ahead of myself here, put our tools back, and now we get to place our electronic hand wheels. Ooh. I don't know, what do you think? Is that a good spot? Well, I'll tell you what, drop a line in the comments, subscribe, and let us know how we're doing going through this together. And always, thanks for subscribing to us, and thank you from Snake River Rifle Works.